How to clear direct message account suggestions on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about clearing direct message account suggestions on Instagram. So clearing the direct message account suggestion on Instagram is important for maintaining your privacy and controlling your interactions. So first of all, let's understand why do DM suggestions appear. Instagram suggests accounts in the DM section based on recent interactions, accounts you've searched for or followed, contacts synced from your phone, and Facebook friends if your accounts are linked. The first thing you can do is clear your search history. And here's how you can do that. Open your Instagram and go to your profile, and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, go ahead and click on your activity option under how you use Instagram. Scroll down and then go to recent searches. Once you're in your recent searches, click on clear all in the top right corner that is highlighted in blue color, and then again click on clear all to confirm. Another thing you can do is you can limit interactions on your Instagram, avoid unnecessary searches or interactions with the account you do not wish to see in the suggestions. Regularly clear your search history and periodically review and manage the synced contacts, and keep your Instagram application updated to improve privacy control. So by following the simple steps, you can effectively manage and clear DM account suggestions on Instagram. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.